Hello and welcome to this beginner's guide to learning programming. In this video, we'll be discussing some tips and strategies for getting started with programming, even if you've never written a line of code before. Step 1. Choose a language. The first step in learning to code is choosing a programming language to focus on. There are many programming languages to choose from, but some of the most popular languages for beginners include Python, JavaScript, and Ru. Step 2. Find a learning resource. Once you've chosen a programming language, it's time to find a learning resource. There are many options available, including online tutorials, textbooks, and video courses. Some popular learning platforms include Co. Step 3. Start small. It's important to start small when learning to code. Begin with simple programs and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. This will help you to build your skills and confidence. Step 4. Practice, practice, practice. The key to mastering programming is practice. Set aside time each day to work on coding projects, even if it's just for a few minutes. This will help you to build your skills and reinforce what you've learned. Step 5. Join a community. Joining a programming community can be a great way to learn from others and get support as you learn. There are many online communities for programmers, including Reddit, Stack Overflow, and GitHub. Learning to code can be a challenging but rewarding experience. By following these tips and strategies, you can begin your journey to becoming a skilled programmer. Remember to be patient, practice regularly, and never give up.